Hello students. So today we are going to discuss with the topic why do we need rights in democracy. Rights are necessary for the very sustenance of a democracy. Obviously, why we need the rights for human beings, right for people, right for the citizens while being in a democratic government, because they are the very sustenance, they are the possibilities that make the democratic government sustain the democratic government. In a democracy, every citizen has to have the right to vote and the right to be elected to government. For democratic elections to take place, it is necessary that citizens should have the right to express their opinion from political parties and take part in political activities. Rights also perform a very special role in a democracy. So, as we know that in a democratic government, a democratic government is what? That it is elected by the people, for the people, by the people. So, in a democratic government, the people needs to have the rights to elect the government, to participate in elections, to have a say in the formation of the government. So this right, it is necessary that the citizen should have the right to express the opinion from political parties and take part in political activities. Rights also perform a very special role in a democracy. Rights protect minorities from the oppression of majority. The rights is the one principle that helps the minorities to be offended or not to be offended by the majority, not to be tortured by the minority, not to be degraded by the majority. Rights protect minorities from the oppression of the majority. They ensure that the majority cannot do whatever it likes. Rights are guarantees which can be used when things go wrong. Things may go wrong when some citizens may wish to take away the rights of others. This usually happens when those in majority wants to dominate those in minority. Obviously, if someone in minority wants to dominate someone in majority wants to dominate the minority, then obviously he or she is degrading not respecting the rights of the other people. So obviously, in that case, the rights is that principle or is that guarantee that is being enforced at that time. This usually happens when those in majority want to dominate those in minority. The government should protect the citizens' rights in such a situation, but sometimes elected governments may not protect or may even attack the rights of their own citizens. This is why some rights need to be placed higher than the government, so that the government cannot violate them. In most democracies, the basic rights of the citizen are written down in the constitution. So at times it also happens that the government basically protects the rights of the citizen, but sometimes the elected governments may not be even able to protect the rights, but even attack the rights of their own citizens. So it is also said that there has been a thought process that a certain rights should be given more importance than that of the government. And so in most democratic countries, the citizen rights are written down in the constitution. So in the next class, we'll start with the rights in the Indian Constitution: right to equality, right to freedom, right to constitutional remedies, right to cultural and educational rights, right to freedom of religion, right against exploitation.